Hello foodies! Nightingale Homeworks is here to introduce a simple, delicious Dalgona coffee to all of you people. For this, take a bowl and add 2 spoons of instant coffee powder and then add 2 spoons of sugar and now add some water into the mixture. Now whisk it slowly until you get a texture like whipped cream. You can see the change in the color. It becomes lighter. So make sure you're making it very slowly. And you can see the whipped cream is ready. So after getting a fine mixture, keep this aside for some time. And now take some frozen milk and some lukewarm milk. So add this lukewarm milk into this frozen milk and then take it into your glass and add the mixture of this coffee onto the top layer of this both whipped and lukewarm milk. So add according to your taste. And now your delicious Dalgona coffee is ready. Hope you like it. It is a very simple process. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and delicious food recipes. Thank you.